I am 82, and this golden drink erased my joint pain in just 5 days. I was tired of waking up every morning with aching knees, stiff fingers, and a back that refused to cooperate. And like many seniors, I thought joint pain was just part of getting older. But then, something changed. A simple golden drink made from ingredients sitting right in my kitchen completely changed how I feel in just 5 days. No harsh medicines, no costly therapies, just 1 cup a day. And today, I'm going to share exactly what that drink is, why it works, and how you can make it too. Let me take you back to a few months ago. I couldn't walk to the mailbox without discomfort. Stairs? Forget it. Getting up from a chair? A challenge. I've always tried to live healthy fruits, vegetables, daily walks, but age seemed to catch up faster than I expected. Then one evening, my granddaughter, who's a nutritionist, asked me, "Grandpa, have you ever tried turmeric?" I shrugged. I'd heard of it, sure, yellow spice, smells earthy, but never thought it could help with something as serious as inflammation. That night, she showed me a recipe that would change my life. We call it golden milk, and it's as soothing as it sounds. Here's what's in it. 1 cup warm almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon turmeric powder, pinch of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon coconut oil, a touch of honey for sweetness. That's it. You stir it all together, heat it gently, and drink it slowly, preferably before bed. The taste, comforting and rich, like a warm hug for your joints. But what really blew me away wasn't the taste, it was what happened next. Day 1, I felt calmer. Maybe it was placebo, maybe not, but I slept better. Day 2, less stiffness in the morning. I didn't have to massage my knees for 10 minutes before standing up. Day 3, I actually walked to the park with my neighbor and back. Day 4, my hands felt more flexible. I could finally open jars again. Day 5, I realized something important. This wasn't magic. It was food as medicine. My inflammation had visibly gone down. It was like my joints were finally breathing again. And the best part, no side effects, no prescriptions, just nature doing its job. Let's talk about what's really happening here. The secret ingredient in turmeric is curcumin. It's a powerful anti-inflammatory compound that's been studied in over 6,000 research papers. But here is the trick. Curcumin is hard for the body to absorb unless you pair it with black pepper. Black pepper contains piperine, which boosts absorption by up to 2,000%. Add in some healthy fat like coconut oil and you've got the perfect vehicle for curcumin to reach your cells. Cinnamon helps balance blood sugar, and honey adds a touch of antioxidants. Together, this drink becomes a natural anti-inflammatory powerhouse. It's gentle, nourishing, and something your body actually recognizes as food. Now, let's set realistic expectations. This drink isn't a miracle cure for every health issue, but for many seniors, especially those dealing with joint pain, stiffness, or mild inflammation, it can offer real relief. You may start noticing results in a few days, or it might take a week or two. The key is consistency. Make it part of your nightly ritual. Turn it into a moment of self-care. Light music, warm blanket, golden milk. You'll sleep better, move easier, and most importantly, feel more in control of your health. Now, before you dive in, let me say this. Always check with your doctor, especially if you're on medications like blood thinners or diabetes drugs. Turmeric can interact with certain medicines, and it's important to stay safe. Also, start small. If you've never had turmeric before, try it every other night for the first week and see how your body responds. And if you notice any digestive issues, back off a little. This is about healing, not rushing. You don't have to live in pain. You don't have to wake up dreading movement. You deserve to feel light, mobile, and alive even at 82. I'm not saying this golden drink will fix everything, but for me, it was the beginning of something beautiful. A small act of care that told my body, I'm listening, I'm trying, I'm not giving up. And maybe that's the real magic. So give it a try. 1 cup, 1 night, 1 step toward healing. Your future self might just thank you. Like what you're hearing. Tap like and subscribe so you never miss a natural remedy that could change your life.